Hey guys, welcome back. So let's see what was the status today, how the Nifty was traded, and exactly it was given a nice rally in upside. So it exactly came to in our position that the line which I have drawn when it was went down for the for the pandemic's symptom pandemic side. So it exactly reached over here the upside. So the candle it look like bullish, but when we see the open interest, so it's exactly in opposite side. So let's see the Nifty. So Nifty, see, Nifty open interest is completely showing in a different way. So according to the open interest, so Nifty might trade in between 15,700 to 16,000. So that is what exactly happened today. And let's see what exactly how it's traded in the morning. uh, we'll see in the 5 minutes candle time. Okay, so this was our red line in the morning, like as per the video which we had given yesterday. So it opened up above, sorry, this was the red line. It was exactly open above the red line, so it took our first target as a first straight away it's open up for now first target. So it's exactly touched our red line, and from there it has given a nice rally. It's touched our it's crossed our first target, and it's the price got rejected in the second target as well. And throughout the day it was moving in between our second target and third target itself. So my tomorrow key levels also will be remain same, sorry, not the same. uh, I am keeping my key levels 15,700 and 15,800 in the downside, and the same time upside 15,825. In case if the market opens above 15,825, I'll go for a call option, and I'll keep my first target 15,857 and 15,883 and 15,917 going to be my third target. At the same time, if it's break 15,800, so we can see the 15,800 has a lot of call option and put option. So it's look like both are will the it will trade in between, surrounded by 15,800. So if it's given a clear breakout, if it goes below 15,800 and sustained, then I'll go for a put option. I'll keep my first target 15,774, 15,755 and 15,725, and the top last my target 15,694. So there is a possibility it may touch 15,725 and bounce back. At the same time, upside also very limited. In case if it's touch 15,917, so there is a lot of possibility it will go down. So you can trade accordingly. So these are the key lines. So if you could see today also it was traded exactly, took a support, resistance, key level. So trade carefully. And secondly, let's see the bank nifty. So bank nifty have I have a key lines over there. So I just connected all the high levels, and I connected all the low levels. So it's exactly meeting over here. So like by coming Friday, until Friday we can see the bank nifty sectors. Either it may give you the huge break upside or huge break downside. So it's you could see the the triangle pattern. So it's exactly where the bank sector plan to move higher and violently. So according to open interest, it seems like it may go up upside only. Phew. See, in the upside 36,000 has a lot of call option, and downside 35,500 has a second put option writing. So tomorrow or until 15 there is a possibility it may trade in between 35,500 to 36,000. And we'll see the bank nifty key levels also. So Banknifty key levels, the red line will be 35,605 and 35,787. In case if it's break above, so I'll keep my first target 35,000. I'll go for a call option. I'll keep my first target 35,917 and 36,000. So these two key levels only as of now I'm able to find out. And the same time, downside 35,455 going to be my first target, and 35,267, 35,092. So there is a lot of possibility market may touch this 35,445, and from here there is a possibility to go upside. At the same time, as I told you, according to the open interest, it's may trade in between 36,000 to 35,445. So trade carefully, and I'm expecting a highly volatile market tomorrow, since it's one day before the market. So you need to trade carefully. So after that, before that, we'll go for a FII DII data. So FII, they brought 113 crores. DII also brought 344 crores. So it's been a long time that both the peoples were net buyers in the market. So either tomorrow FII might plan to sell, and DII might expect to support the market. So you need to be careful. And one more thing, I have taken a position in the SBI Life. So this will help you in the day candle only. Okay, so SBI Life is standing in the all-time high. So there is a lot of possibilities of profit booking. So this the SBI. Okay, so this is the open interest for the SBI Life. So see, today SBI has been rallied really well. It's almost 2.2% has been rallied. Still nobody has closed the call option. So which means the people, they were completely perfectly, they are waiting for a profit booking scenario. So that is only the reason I have taken the put option. I brought up put option. And same time, if you could see the max pain also, max pain is still in 1020 rupees. So there is huge property the market may trade in between near to this 1020. So that is only the reason I was forced myself to go for a put option, and it was given a nice rally. There is a profit booking. I am expecting tomorrow it's may touch 1030, and after tomorrow it's may reach up to 1012. So let's see what exactly is happening in the market. So it's very difficult for us to predict the market. And so I'm, as of now, my position is almost minus 3000 rupees, where I have taken two position. One is 1000 put option and 1020 put option, and both are still in minus position, which I have taken almost 1 o'clock. So let's see whether I'm able to close it on green or red. Let's hope for the best. And for the long term, we can have a look at the IT stocks. So IT stocks for last 1 month, it was underperformance. So there is a possibility it may Wipro take a support at 524. There is a possibility to have a rally up to 560, and it may give further all-time high also. At the same time, TCS also has given they had given a nice good profit only. Still stock price not appreciated. So these are the this line I have connected all the lows. So I am expecting from tomorrow onwards there is a possibility it may go higher side. From here there is a possibility to go above side. And the Tata Motors also, this is a perfect time where if you are planning for a long term perspective, so there is a possibility. So these are the opportunities where you can get good stock in a cheaper price. So these are the perfect time where you can accumulate the stock in between 312 to 295, and the topmost support going to be 280. So until then you can in between in between 312 to 218 you can accumulate the stock as much as you want. So this will help you really good for the long term And Infosys also I'm looking, I'm keenly watching this stock, so I'm expecting it may get supported at 15,050 15, sorry, and from there it may go above the all-time high. So these are the stock which I'm keeping in my radar. So let's see. So that's it for today, and tomorrow the market may volatile very violently, so be careful while trading. So take the position and keep a proper stop loss, so according to the trade. That's it for today. Bye, see you.